Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Now, this is from One Day Savings. They contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to show some more of their stuff because I have worked with them before. And of course, I told them yeah, because y'all, I love this company. I have never gotten anything bad by this company. So I, of course, told them that yes, I would show them some more stuff. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and I just wanted to say that I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, and if you are just passing through, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would so appreciate it. And to all my subscribers who have been with me, old, new, from the beginning to whatever, I appreciate every one of you. So let's get into this unbagging. Alright, so they sent me a diamond painting and a couple of tools, because I told them that as diamond painters, we're always looking for the bigger, better tool. So let's get into the diamond painting first. So there are, well, first just let me open this and I'll show you what it is. Now, this is poured glue. And it is a special shape hummingbird. Isn't that gorgeous? And y'all know I love these special drill canvases. So there are 19 special shapes in this. All right, so with this kit, you get your regular toolkit, which is a pink pen, pink wax, and your green boat. All right, so this is a 30 by 30, and I hope y'all can see this. I know my lighting is not wonderful, but look at this canvas. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, so let's look at these drills. And y'all, you know, I love these things. All right, so this is regular $6.26, but right now it is on sale for $3.99. And y'all, there are 14 hummingbirds in this series, and I'm going to link a picture of all of them probably right in here. So we have got black, we have got these green. Can y'all see that? Isn't that pretty? Look at these huge gold. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And these, oh my Lord. Oh, I hope y'all can see these. And then there's some more gold. They're just smaller. We've got green and a orangey, pinkish. Well, it almost looks like an AB, but they're not. But you know how they, change colors? Oh my. Y'all, look at this green. Isn't that gorgeous. Look at that. And then we've got these. Oh my Lord, this is going to be gorgeous when it's done. And then these are pink. And then we've got some gold. We've got some purplish pink. Some greens. Oh, look at these teeny tiny iridescent pearls. This is not an AB, y'all. It is a pearl. And I hope y'all can see. I don't know if it's picking it up really well or not. But aren't those gorgeous? And then we've got gold. And we've got an orange gold. A red. And then we've got like a very light green. And oh my God, look at that. They're beautiful. Look at the color coming off of that. Wow, I just love those. They are absolutely beautiful. All right, so the canvas number is on the bags of drills. So if you do put your drills in a separate place than your canvas, you're going to know that these drills goes with this canvas. And I'm going to bring y'all down just a tad. And we are going to look very sticky, very, very sticky. Like very sticky. And of course this is a partial, so none of this white has sticky on it because we don't drill that. Just the bird. And y'all, I love hummingbirds. I think they are so pretty. And y'all, like I said, this is just one of 14. There is 14 in this series. And it's like one is just so much prettier than the next. This would be one that I would want the whole series. And you could take and like, when you do them, you could take and put them on your wall in like some kind of, oh, what is it called? Anyway, you could put the whole series on your wall and it would just be gorgeous. If you had an area in your home to display these, it would just be gorgeous. And look, it's already got the line on here so that you know where to cut. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to set this to the side. And like I said, this is on sale right now for $3.99, y'all. All right, so the next thing that they sent me is this tape, and this is called Diamond Sticker Rhinestone Strip, and it is self-adhesive, and y'all, it's very sticky, because it's sticking to the sides of the thing. Because the side is very sticky. But look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And it has like a rubber feel. So this, you can manipulate this. And y'all, this is beautiful. So this comes in, this is considered the colorful AB is what this is called. And it also comes in silver. It comes in silver white. It comes in gold, black, and crystal gold. But right now it is $3.50 for a roll. And this is pretty long. But this is self-adhesive. So it has a sticker on the back. If I can pull this off. Let's see. Pray help if I put something down. Y'all, this stuff is super sticky. Super sticky. So whatever you put it on, it's going to stay. It ain't moving. That's for sure. Okay. Almost had it. There we go. Look. This is like, oh my God. This is like some major sticky. So let's see. Give me that canvas back. So say you had a canvas and you wanted to put a border on it. That's what this would work for. Of course, I mean, you can use this for anything, whatever you wanted to. But isn't that pretty? But you just put this on and you cut it however long you want it. But isn't that pretty? Can y'all see that? Do I have that in camera? But look. Alright. Look, isn't that pretty? So, this is enough to do a 30 by 30. Because, of course, I folded this part over. So, if I didn't fold, if I cut this, this would be perfect for a 30 by 30. So, if you wanted to do anything bigger than a 30 by 30, you might want to get 2 or 3 rows of this. But still, this stuff is nice. I may go ahead and get me some because I've got a couple of canvases I wouldn't mind putting this on. Because, I mean, face it, some of these frames, picture frames, especially if you have huge canvases, I mean, who can afford the picture frames? This would be perfect to replace a picture frame. Okay, so this next thing that they sent me is something I have actually been wanting for a while. So I'm going to pause and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So what they sent me is called a diamond painting, a diamond, let me see, a diamond cleaning spoon, y'all. Now, we've all had those drills that were dirty. Had a powdery substance on them or, you know, something. But they were dirty. And how can you tell if they're dirty if you can't see it with your naked eye? Well, let me tell you how you know if your drills are dirty. If you put wax, whatever you use to pick your drills up, whether it's wax, glue dots, putty, whatever, and you're having to change and they feel like, you know, it's not wanting to pick your diamonds up, then the odds are they're probably dirty. So I actually just got done with a canvas and the drills were filthy because, look, let me see. Well, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, these. Okay, so I had just put new glue dots in my pen. And usually glue dots, I can use, like, put glue dots in my pen and I don't have to change my glue dot for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 days. Well, y'all, I was doing a little 30 by 40 and I had to change my glue dots twice because it was just getting so nasty, sticky, or the sticky wasn't working, is what I'm trying to say. All right, so with this, as you can see, it's got holes in the bottom, and it's got this top up here with the screen, and you open it like so. All right, you get your dirty drills. You pour some in there. That might have been too much. I don't know. All right, you shut this back. All right, and now they're not going to come out, okay? So you put your drills in the water, and let's see. I think, let's see. Yeah, you push this up and down, this little thing right here. Can y'all see this? You take this and you push it in and out, just like that, okay? And if y'all can see this, let's see. See, this little thing on the inside moves, if you can see it. I don't think you can see it because, but anyway, you just put them in there and you can move these around, push this up and down, and then it drains. And you can tap the water out. Of course, I've got a teeny tiny little cup here, but it's the only cup I had that was clear. All right. And then you pop them back open. Of course, you're going to want to wait until they're dry. But y'all see, it just kind of cleans them. But this is what, when you push that in, that's what this thing is. And I think it tries to dry them. And it switches them around to where, you know, it'll clean them. But this is really neat, y'all. And this is the first time I've ever used one of this, so I may not even be doing it right. Just FYI. Okay? So, yeah. That's what this does. And then you're going to be able, once these dry, they'll be so much better working with. And you won't be, you know, having to change your glue and everything else, because it'll be just clean. They'll be clean. And like I said, you can tell when you have dirty drills because they just don't want to stick. So, all right. Anyway, there's that. And I'm going to pause again and I'm going to clean this up and then we're going to go over everything that you just seen. Okay, so I'm back. And I don't even think I told y'all. This is $1.99. Great, great deal for this. Because look, even though I kind of I don't know. Like I said, I've never used one of these before. So I was just going by the seat of my pants. This is an awesome tool, y'all. Awesome. Because it also will not only clean them, but it will take away the static out of them too. So get one. $1.99. The adhesive strip that comes in 7 different colors, $3.50. The canvas is on sale right now for $3.99, and there are 14 of these. So, One Day Savings, thank you so much for sending this to me and giving me the opportunity to show this to my subscribers and anybody else coming through. I so appreciate it. And like I said, I have never they've never done me wrong. I love this company. So, y'all, there is a coupon code also on here that I'll put in my description box that will give you, I think it's 5% off. I'm thinking. But I'll put it right here on the screen. But you use that code and I think you get 5% off your total. So anyway, all of this will be in my description box along with the link to One Day Savings plus a couple other links that goes to like their kits that are their premium kits, their kits that are I think under $4.99 or something like that. Anyway, great company, y'all. Go check them out. And until my next video, y'all, I appreciate you watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.